Alright, I'm going to do some water jug testing on 45 ACP. I'm waiting to do this for a while. I'm putting it off. I don't really have any high-end ammo out here or anything really spectacular. But what I have is three pretty good representations of some 45 ammo. First one is just the standard full metal jacket. This is 830 feet per second, 230 grain. It's coming in there at 352 foot-pounds of energy. Basic military ball. Second one, another 230 grain. It's a 230 grain XTP. This is a hand load. I weighed this one individually for the perfect amount of powder. It is considered a plus P, but it is only 850 feet per second, so it's pretty much in the standard velocity range at 230 grains. And then I'm going to test a factory ammo. This is self-defense ammo. This is my carry ammo. It's the PDX1 230 grain. I think it's bonded. Now this one is at 920 feet per second rated, so it's at 432 foot-pounds of energy. Significantly higher amount of energy, but pretty common for a 45. So I'm going to do water jugs. I got 4 layers of denim in front of them. I'm going to see how far they go, how much penetration, all that, how much expansion, all these. So I'm going to do the 230 grain ball, the hand loaded 230 grain XTP, and then the Winchester PDX1. See what we get. Test gun is the Glock 36 with 3.7 inch barrel. So a little bit shorter barrel than most of these velocities are rated from, but I mean it's a pretty common barrel length size for a carry gun, and I don't think the velocities will be affected that much. So we'll see what we get. First is the 230 grain ball ammo. That was very interesting. What happened was it went through 7 gallons of water, and it hit that back thing. That's like a 2-gallon jug with the orange lid. It hit that and it bounced off it. So it went through exactly 7 jugs and then bounced off the last thing. So 7, each one of those jugs is about 6 inches. So you're talking, that's a lot of penetration. A lot of penetration. I don't know where the round is, but it had enough force to punch through the 7th jug, but not enough to punch into that very thin plastic container in the back. Alright, next up is that 230 grain XTP at 850 feet per second rated. See how that does through 4 layers of denim and water jugs. Jug 5. Got the bullet in jug 5. So, looks like it started to tumble down. Just barely got into jug 5 at the bottom. That's through 4 jugs, complete 4 jugs. So that's like 24 inches of penetration pretty much, but hey, this is what I got. I'm not going to pull out the calipers. I could tell you right there that's probably about 6/10 of an inch or 60 caliber. I can tell you by looking at it. Not a significant expansion, but did expand at least through denim, which is pretty good for an XTP to expand through denim, because a lot of times they don't. So not bad at all, actually, for an XTP. I mean, those are cheap to reload. Right, lastly, I got that PDX1 230 grain hollow point. A little bit warmer of a round. Let's see how that does through 4 layers of denim and water jugs. Only jug 4. Wow, that's beautiful. And this happens to be my carry round too. That does not make me feel bad at all. 4 layers of denim. And that's only a 3.7 inch barrel. And I can tell you right now, that's a good 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to measure that one. I'm going to measure both of these later. But in comparison to the XTP, massive expansion. I'm very surprised to see a 3.7 inch barrel throwing a 230 grain with enough velocity to expand it like that. So let me get measurements on these and see what I get. But wow, that's pretty good. Alright, time to measure these bullets, see what we get. There's the 230 grain XTP. I'm going to zero this thing out. Come from the greatest pedal point. 56.2, let me turn a little. 59.5, about 60 caliber. 60.01, 60 caliber. That's about what I thought. Greatest pedal points on this one. There's a pretty jagged one sticking far out here. 7.59, 75 caliber. Pretty close to what I thought. So 76 at that point. 76 100ths of an inch. So, yeah, 60 100ths of an inch, 76. So, pretty big difference on expansion. I would still carry this around though. I would, because they're so easy to find and reload and cheap that, you know, I could basically make carry rounds for that and practice with nothing but those, and that would be an advantage. But at the same time, I ain't gonna be able to make nothing this good. So anyways, thanks for watching.